ito yung living room, living area. And this is the dining area. And dito naman yung kitchen natin. Kitchen. And then meron din isang common CR. Common CR. And dito naman, ito yung master's bedroom. Master's bedroom. Meron na siyang closet. Then this is the CR. Yan. May CR na sa master's bedroom. Ito yung mag-going up. Meron pa diyang family room, dalawang bedroom, may common CR, and then naging bodega. So, this is yung isang bedroom. Yan, may cabinet na rin. Ito naman yung pangalawang bedroom, second floor. May built-in cabinet na rin. Yan, nakikita yung view ng mountain. Pag binuksan yung bintana, mahangin, ma-fresh po. Lalo na pag sa gabi yung exile ng telephone. Malamig pa naman sa Tagaytay. Ito naman yung common CR. Sa second floor. So total we have 3 CR. Dalawa sa baba, isa dito sa taas. Ito naman yung maliit na bodega. Pang storage. And ito naman yung family room. Family area. So, pwede ko dyan mag-uwi ng may isa living area, sofa, entertainment, maglagay ng TV, yan. O, let's say, mesa.